What's going on YouTube? Welcome to our money transfer series. So in today's episode, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from your Robinhood account to your bank account without hassle. So without any further ado guys, let's end this tutorial. So before we proceed any further, I would like to emphasize on the fact that you check that video description for important links mentioned in this video. Now, the steps you need to take to transfer money from your Robinhood account to your bank account might slightly differ depending on the platform you are using. But thankfully, I'm going to cover all of the platforms going from your mobile app to the web platform. So to transfer money from the web platform to your bank account, you want to log into your account and go to the account tab. Select the menu icon and then go to transfers, then withdraw. Now from this page, you want to enter the amount you would like to withdraw. Choose the Robinhood account you want to withdraw money from and select a linked external account to withdraw money to. If your account qualifies, you can make instant deposits to this account. Now you want to review the withdrawal and confirm the fees associated to this transfer. And finally, if you are okay with it, you just click on transfer to transfer the money. Now in case you are looking to transfer money from the web platform, you just want to log into your Robinhood account through the Robinhood website. Then you select the account and go to the transfer money tab. From here, you want to enter the amount you want to withdraw to your bank account. Choose the Robinhood account you want to withdraw money from and select the external linked bank account you are willing to withdraw money to. And if you need to make an instant transfer, make sure this one is a debit card or a supported account, and if it is supported or if it qualifies, you should see instant transfers available for it. Now review the withdrawal and confirm the fees associated, then you transfer the money. Well, unlike most other platforms, Robinhood does not withdraw any or all the funds you might have on the platform. Okay, so the only amount or the only money or the only funds that you can withdraw from Robinhood is the withdrawal cash. So make sure that the money you are looking to withdraw is available as withdrawal cash before even proceeding to confirm the withdrawal. So how long do transfers from Robinhood actually take to arrive your selected withdrawal method? So depending on the method that you choose, the transfer can range from instant to up to 5 business days. Obviously, if you transfer money instantly or if you select the instant transfer option from Robinhood, your transfers should be expected to arrive within seconds, if not instantly. And that of course comes at a fee of up to 1.75% of the total amount you are transferring. And in case you select the free transfer method, which is the standard transfer, you should expect your funds to arrive between 3 to 5 business days. So that is it about transferring money from Robinhood to your bank account. Do mind to check the video description for important links that are going to be useful to you within this transfer. So I catch you in the next episode.